done this. Like I've only done this off home.
Now you are here in Siargao. Siargao. We are did the lesson direct for intermediate. Don't worry about this board. Because now this has will teach you on how to stand up in the proper seat.
Okay.
So, by the way, Anna, this is the parts of the board, no? So, this is we call top, both side rails. This is the nose. This is the bottom, leash, and fence. Okay? But first, you lie down in the board. Do it like this. Lie down. Make sure your legs on the tail of your board. And make sure also your body in the middle. Okay? If I let you know paddle, this is we call paddle. Paddle. I tell you to stand up, put your hand down to your chest. Pull up. Step right first. Up your hands. So both side, your legs, the position of your legs, both side. So face there, body forward. Okay, really paddle. Stand up, push. Step right, left. Bend your knee. Look straight. Balance and smile. Okay? Don't forget to smile. That's the most important. Do you wanna try?
Try it, I guess.
You can try it.
Okay, I want to see it first before you put it on.
Okay. Yeah, ready?
Yeah, I think so.
Paddle. Okay, stand up, push, step right. Okay. That's perfect, but don't too much in rush. Just to do slowly. Slowly, but surely. Okay, because sometimes even if you are really fast, but both our legs not in the proper position, we lose our balance. So be sure that you can do it properly. Okay. Let's go together. Paddle, stand up, push, right, left, bend, look straight, and smile. Perfect. Okay, show me, one more. Okay, get ready. Paddle, stand up, push, step right, left, bend. Wow, that's perfect. And also for your safety, because normal, for example, if we have a long ride, and then after no waves, of course we will jump on our board. So when you jump off, sit down, do it like this. Just in the front, use your legs. Because sometimes people do not know to do the activities. Sometimes you jump and die. It's not good. Because maybe our head or hand will go relax. So we're just gonna jump, push or you can go and jump. That's it. Or maybe behind. Okay?
Wait, sorry.
And then after, when we jump, of course, we hold our board. And then after we hold our board, the nose, we need to make sure to face the left. Like this. Right. So when we jump, of course, we have a leash. So this is the leash now. Hold our board. The nose. Face to the waves. And ride on back again. Don't paddle. Don't go like this. Sometimes you might know there's a the ball will be gonna hit you. Sample. Paddle ring mat.
Adoran itong single pin kay Hunas na. Tang na single pin.
Ma'am, sir.
Tanawang.
First timer?
Don't worry about it. Watch out.
Let's know first parts of the board. In the Philippines we have two boards. So top and this is part 2.
First, you don't need to worry a lot. Wax. Okay. So now you can talk to your instructor.